Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have admin rights. Without them, the removal will stall. Backup Outlook PSDs and any custom templates because Uninstall doesn't always preserve them. Once ready, open Start, go to Settings, then Apps, and locate Microsoft Office 365 in the app list. This is the first actionable step because it places you at the system-level removal controls. Make sure to close Office apps first so files aren't in use, and the uninstaller can run cleanly. Now you run the built-in uninstaller. Select Microsoft Office 365 and click Uninstall, then confirm any user account control prompts. If your copy came from the Microsoft Store, open the Store app, go to Library, find Office 365 and uninstall there. Allow the process to finish fully. Sometimes the uninstaller requests a reboot. Do that immediately. Once the core uninstall completes, stay here until the system is stable, because leftover services or files often require a clean restart before manual cleanup or repair tools are used. Finish by removing residual files and settings. Run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant or the official Office removal tool to clear stubborn components. Manually check program files x86, and %appdata% for Microsoft folders and remove only Office-related items. Then clean known registry keys if you are comfortable, back up the registry first. If uninstall fails, reinstall the same Office build, then uninstall immediately. This often fixes broken uninstallers. As a troubleshooting tip, if services block removal, boot to safe mode and rerun the removal tool.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.